Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. As you guys can see, we have an unboxing. Anyway, if you guys are new to my channel, what are you waiting on? Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Come join the family. We talk about everything bag related, from contemporary all the way to luxury. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. And let's get into this unboxing. Okay everybody, so as I stated, we have an unboxing. I'm going to get right into unboxing this, and then I'll let you know where I got it from and all of those things, okay? So I am excited. Just get my box cutter about this item in this box. Okay. Okay. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. This paper. Okay, so I did get this. So let's, before even getting into what I purchased, I did actually get this item from Vestia Collective. This is my very first time ordering from Vestia. My cousin ordered from them all the time and she raves about them. So I was like, okay, well, let me give them a try. So this is my very first time ordering from them. But I think this item actually came from Rebag, because I think Rebag, one thing I've noticed about Rebag, they sell in different platforms, not just Vestia Collective. They sell through eBay, they sell through ThreadUp. So they, I guess, partner with all of these other third-party sellers for them to sell their items. So this is a Rebag item, but I didn't get it directly from Rebag. I actually got it through Vestia Collective, and I'll let you know the reason why. So let's get into this. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's get this off. And let me move the box out the way. Oops, I don't know why I'm shaking today. Sorry about that. So as you guys can see, I am super excited. Can you guess what it is? It's such a good bag, but I'll let you know exactly what it is. So as you guys can see right here, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, I don't want to get excited right now. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. So this is the Fendi Peekaboo, and this one kind of have like that interchangeable handle. As you can see, this is the mini Peekaboo. I've been wanting this bag, but for the price, I was like, I don't know if I want it that much. I'm just zooming you guys a little bit in, but I got this for such a great price, guys. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. All right, so they put a little paper in here. Let's get into this. Oh my God. And it does have, because it did said it came with a raincoat. So this is the raincoat right here for the Peekaboo, the raincoat, and then it has the Fendi dust bag, and then it comes with the strap and everything. So this look like it's mixed color, because let me just see, hold on for me real quick, or maybe the gold is actually, I don't know, I'll look at it and see. But as you can see, so right here has like gold hardware. It's like a mixed hardware thing. So it has gold and it has the silver right here. The bar on here is silver. Sorry, let me move it. So the bar on here is silver right here, and then the strap right here is silver, but then the handle is gold. And this, I think there was a time when Fendi came out with these Peekaboo where it was, you could interchange the handles. I couldn't find, I think I found one video about that where it was like a shopping vlog, and she went in and she was talking about the handles. So this is not the traditional handle. This is like, it's kind of like a plasticky kind of handle. But I think at that time you could actually interchange the handle. So if you didn't want this handle, you can design your own handle and put it on the Peekaboo. But I don't know if Fendi does that anymore, because I really couldn't see anything on their website. But I was so excited that this had this blue handle, because it gives it such a different vibe. So as you guys know, the Fendi has the 2 spot right here. So you got the open right here, which is black interior. And then you got the other side right here, which has the zipper in it. Right there. It has the zipper right there. And then there's a pocket right there with the zipper. So you have the other interior right here. And then you have the crossbody strap because this is the mini. The other good thing I love about this one actually has the feet on the bottom. The fit is silver, and I love the fact it has the FF embossed in the feet. I think that is so creative. I think these are like the newer Fendi. Well, they have like the older Fendis where it was like no feet on the bottom. This one is more of like the newer design. And then this one, this kind of remind me of like the Fendi Celia, Celia or something, but that has more of a grain because it does have the feet and everything, and then it has like this thick what is it again? Oh my God, I don't glazing on the sides, which is really good. And I love the fact I've been wanting a Fendi so like the Fendi Peekaboo so badly, but I wanted it at a great price because I don't know what's going on. And I'm not sure if you guys also can comment below. I've noticed that Fendi on the pre-love market is almost getting to the price of what it is when you buy it in store, especially for these bags now, like the baguettes, because I'm looking for a baguette as well. And most of the baguettes that are in excellent condition and things like that, they're almost in that, almost going in store, a couple of hundreds. That's the difference. But this one, guys, this, let me tell you how much I got this. I think I got this under 1,500. I think I got it for, because the thing is that they had a sale and I got an additional 10% off it through Vestia Collective. So I end up paying for this bag, I think 1,000 or 1,100 for this beauty right here. And I think it's such a beautiful bag. Oh my God, I'm so happy I finally have my Fendi Peekaboo in my collection in the size mini, because I didn't want the medium size. I felt like the medium size is too big. And the small I think is still a good size, but the medium for my frame, I felt like it was too big. So that's why I was like, I really wanted the mini, because with the mini, it just made sense, right? So I am so super excited. I love the fact that it's like mixed hardware. So you have the gold right here. So I guess you can take this off if you wanted to. And then this has like the silver on there for the strap. And it has Fendi right here. Let me show you guys where the Fendi is. So it has Fendi on right here. As you can see, I'm just looking through the bag. I don't see really anything. And this was in great condition. I don't see any issue with the piping, with the glazing. It looks in great condition. Let me see. It has like a little, oh, I was about to say it has like a little mark right here, but there's no mark. It was like dirt or whatever. On the picture, it really didn't do it any justice. I don't even think this is in great condition. I think this is in excellent condition, and for the price, whoo, even better condition. So as you can see, it does have plastic still on this one, and a little bit of plastic on this feet. The plastic actually are no longer there. Let me check the back or the front, because one thing with Fendi is the same. Well, the Peekaboo, the back and the front look the same. There's a little creasing right here, but I think once I stuff it, that should work. The leather feels so good in the hands, guys. Like, I really wish you could feel how good this leather feels. It feels excellent. Like, I really cannot like really tell you guys how good this leather feels. And I love the fact that with the Fendi, the Peekaboo, I don't know why I keep saying with the, well, it is a Fendi, but with the Peekaboo, you can actually take this off. As you can see, take this off. And I love it. Oh my God, I love it. So if you want, you put this right here and you close it if you want to close it. But oh my God, this is so beautiful, guys. Oh my God, this thing is in, like, literally, I feel like the person just went and bought it and never used it and decided to sell it to Rebag. I think honestly that's why it's like in such an excellent condition. This is not even in great. This is in excellent condition. And for getting it for like 1,100, I think this is even better. As you guys know, I'm really trying to curate my collection. And I've been getting the Fendi bug lately. Like, everything that Fendi does, I want it. As you guys know, I've already unboxed like what, 2 Fendi bags already. So this is going to be my 3rd Fendi bag. And I'm also looking at, like I stated, the Fendi baguettes. So that's another bag that I definitely want to add to my collection. But guys, I just wanted to do this quick unboxing just to show you. There is a little marking right here. If you can see, it's like darkening, but I'm just going to wipe it down with the Average Deluxe wipes like I told you guys. That anytime I get a pre-loved bag, I always wipe it down with that wipe. But anyway, guys, this was the video for today. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day.